You will be amazed by this 2021 Kia Stinger. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 80,000 miles on the odometer. Give in to your cravings for competitive performance and luxurious comfort when you take control of the road or track in this aggressive Stinger. From its dynamic sculpted lines to its iconic growl to its driver assist tech and refined amenities, this smoking hot 5-door hatchback delivers pure satisfaction. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, pre-collision system, wireless charging station, navigation system, heated driver's seat, turbocharged engine, sunroof, 4-cylinder engine, premium sound system. Don't even try to resist the temptation to get behind the wheel of this powerful Stinger. It's calling your name. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.